Yes, I know. This is a tutorial that many of you guys have been waiting for. You have seen these tall head wraps, and then you peep that the girls that wear them have no hair. How do they achieve that look? So I'm here to show you how to get that look as a baldie, as a girl with short hair, or a girl with long hair. Actually, you know what? I have a tutorial for girls with longer hair. You guys can see that right here. But for those who have short hair, no hair, low hair, girl, I got you covered. Let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so to emulate somebody that doesn't really have as much hair as I do right now, I'm gonna put on, don't judge me, you guys. I'm putting on stockings, old stockings. Okay, so that's gonna push down my locks. And now, miraculously, I have become a woman that doesn't really have much hair. Alright, so, to get a tall head wrap, you want to stuff your stocking cap, or your stockings or whatever, with, you could use old t-shirts, you could use old socks. You just want to kind of get like a bun look underneath. I have a baldie friend, and she tends to use, she uses an old hat, and she puts cloth inside to kind of emulate this look, right? So I'm going to take the ends of this and kind of go around the top. And I'm going to tuck it in the back, right? So you see that we have this lovely thing right here that we're going to wrap around. Alright, so I am going to be using the Headwrap, which is this right here. Giving all the summertime vibes, by the way. Alright. So we're going to come around like so. Make sure that both sides are even. Ooh. You don't want your stocking cap to show, so push it, push it, push it. Push it real good. Alright. We're going to come around, cross, and you're going to see little pockets in the head wrap in which you could tuck the leftover fabric. So we're going to tuck, 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 tuck. Same on this side. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck it, y'all, tuck it. And again, make sure that your stocking cap is not shown. Okay, you can move it out the way underneath. Because what's under your head wrap is your business. It's your business, baby. Nobody has to know what's going on under your head wrap. And that's what I love about head wraps. You can literally hide whatever bad hair day, bad color day, dandruff, whatever is going on. You need to redo your braids, put a head wrap on, baby. Everything is hidden underneath. And you guys, that is the finished look. How easy was that? How easy was that? How easy was that? And then people are going to come up to you and be like, girl, you was a baldie yesterday. Where did you get all this hair? It's none of your business, baby, because what's under my head wrap is my business, okay? It is my business. So let me give you guys a 360. And that is it, you guys. I hope this helps. I hope this helps. If you guys like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe below to make sure that you guys stay on top of the videos. I have more head wrap tutorials coming. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See ya. Bye.